So hey everyone, we are about to start Brawl Talk, but before that we wanna play a little game with you. So we are gonna ask some questions and we wanna see you answering them in the live chat.
So, what is your favorite food? Tell us in the chat.
What is your favorite brawler?
Why is it Edgar? 1, 2, 3, 4?
Do you really love her?
And if not, why not?
What is the biggest number you can think of? Drop in the comments now. Start with 9.
Wait, the next one. I had to read for this one. Where are you from? Me or you?
Corinthians or Flamengo?
Option A or option B?
Or C? Alright, watch this, cameraman. Rate this kickflip.
I'm a pro skater.
Who sings better, Janet or Melody?
Or the ultimate question. Marcio or Danny? It's gonna
I'm
make
looking
sen-
at the comments right now. Would you still like us if we were worms?
So, what do you think about... I think they...
Should we hint something from the next update?
Not now. The video is about to start.
10,
9,
8,
7,
6,
5,
4,
3,
2,
1. Let's go!